In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in MetaTrader 5. If you're analyzing charts in MetaTrader 5, being able to quickly adjust the zoom level makes a big difference. Zooming in helps you look more closely at recent price action, candle detail, and short-term movement. Zooming out gives you a wider view of the market so you can better understand overall trends and structure. The good news is that MetaTrader 5 gives you a few simple ways to do this. To get started, open the MetaTrader 5 platform and make sure you have a chart visible on your screen. Once you're inside the platform, direct your attention to the standard toolbar at the top. This is where you'll find many of the most commonly used chart controls. Look for the magnifying glass icons. One will have a plus sign and the other will have a minus sign. These are the main zoom controls. The plus icon is used to zoom in, which makes the chart appear larger and more detailed. The minus icon is used to zoom out, which lets you see more chart history at once. To change the view, simply click the plus icon to zoom in or click the minus icon to zoom out. You can click multiple times until the chart reaches the level that feels most comfortable for your analysis. This method is straightforward and works well if you prefer using the mouse and toolbar controls. You can also do the same thing directly from your keyboard. Press the plus key to zoom in or press the minus key to zoom out. This is a fast option, especially if you're actively reviewing charts and want to make adjustments without moving your cursor away from the chart area. It can make your workflow feel much smoother once you get used to it. There is one more way to access these controls. Right-click anywhere on your open chart to bring up the context menu. In that menu, you'll see the options for zoom in and zoom out. Just select the one you want, and MetaTrader 5 will adjust the chart view for you. This is useful if you already tend to use the right-click menu for chart settings and tools. As a quick tip, try switching between zoom levels depending on what you're doing. A closer view is useful for detail, while a wider view is better for spotting the bigger picture. And that's how to zoom in and out in MetaTrader 5.